and we got just different design, guys. So I hope you'll be like this Underpla. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe right now. You'll be find a special price on this YouTube channel, guys. So today we just available the beautiful Underplat, which is the leaf Underplat, the glass. I got a special. We got a beads Underplat, guys, and we got just different design, guys. So I hope you'll be like this Underplat, guys. If you like, please give the big thumbs up. So now I'm just show you that this one we just give the best price. We're selling in here 18 and 17, but we'll give 16 rand for good price, guys. The shining, this is the shining, guys. This one and this one is not the same, guys. This is just the normal. This is the shining one, guys. So this one will just give to you 20 rand on the stock price. We just available not too much. I think 40 pieces something is available. So if you want it, guys, also let me know. And this is the glass Underplat, guys. You can see is looking beautiful and is amazing, and it's a special price, guys. Will give today the best price, 14 rand on special price, guys. So if you need 50, 100, 200, how many you want it, let me know. So guys, this is I got a leaf Underplat, which is the beautiful one, guys. This is will give the special price today. We just give to you 17 rand, guys. If you need the stock, guys, let me know, guys. This is also we available. We give this the gold one, which is the beautiful one, guys. We give also same price is a 17 rand on stock price, guys. So if you want 100, if you need 350, 600 rand, 500, 400, the stock is available. Now we just available the beads Underplat, which is the beautiful one, guys, and is amazing one. So guys, this is I got it on special also 23 rand on stock price, guys. So if you want 50 to 100, 300, 500, the stock is available, guys. So I hope you'll be like this Underplat, guys. If you like, please give the big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more special price and the cheaper prices, guys. We already crossed 500. Just please subscribe right now and press the bell icon. When I upload the video, you will be see the notification, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you to next video on soon, guys. Bye bye.